Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you could tell by the title, is going to be a get ready with me to go absolutely nowhere. Be a little chatty, really just sitting down, having some talks, doing some makeup for absolutely no reason at all. It's just about 9 o'clock and I'm going to be working, so at least I'll look good for like my Zoom calls later, you know what I mean? But yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, and let's get ready to go nowhere. Okay, first things first, I did get a little gift. So for my hair today, it's starting to get a little greasy, you know? So I thought this is like the perfect opportunity to do my ponytails. Insert name here sent me 2 ponytails of theirs, and I'm gonna put one of them in today for this video. So this one here, oh, this is like the crimped one. This is Shayla in Champagne Blonde. I don't think I wanna put Shayla in. Actually, that would be kind of cute. Wait, and also their packaging, very eco-friendly. I love it. Look how cute that is. And then here is the other one. This is the Maya in Champagne Blonde. This is like the straight hair ponytail, like the Ariana Grande actually literally wore this one in one of her music videos or something. This is like the infamous like Ariana Grande ponytail. I'm actually gonna go with this one. I feel like it would look really cute with what I'm wearing today. So their ponytails come pre-styled, but you can heat them up to 400 degrees. But yeah, and then they give you a little satin bag to store them. So they have like ponytails, they have wigs, they have just like all kinds of cute stuff. They even have bangs, you know, do some like temporary bangs. Well, I look rough, wow. Not the cutest. And also my hair is like almost brown, so that's gonna be a long day at the salon when all of this is over. So I'm pretty sure you just put your hair in your style that you're doing, and then just take our friend Shayla here. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is cute. It's so soft, wow. Okay, I can get with this. Wait, this is so cute. I'm so excited about this. At first, I was like, when they reached out to me, my first thought was like, I don't think I would ever really like wear like a wig or anything like that. But then I was like, those ponytails, that's a moment right there. That is freaking cute. Okay, so it comes like this. I'm pretty sure you just put this over your ponytail and this wraps around, I think. Oh, and it has the lace and this little thing. Oh, so I probably put this. So I'm gonna put this little thing here. My hair's really thick, so this is like hard. I think I'm doing it. I don't know if this is gonna wrap all the way around because my hair is so thick. I think I did it. Does it look good? I don't know. I can't tell. I think I did it, but I don't know if I did it right at all. Oh my gosh, but she's cute. Like, I got crimped hair. Okay, I tried again using a smaller elastic because I was using like my Invisibobble and those are like kind of hefty, but I think it looks a little better. You can kind of see my real hair underneath, but she's so cute and it's so long, like so long, like hello. So these ponytails will be in my description box below so you guys can shop them. I have them both in the color Champagne Blonde, so it blends in pretty well with the blonde that I have in my hair. Just like my roots are brown, so like ignore that. But I do have a code, SID10 will get you 10% off site-wide if you guys want to use it, so highly recommend. First impression, it's just like so soft and like real lifelike and really easy to work with. But yeah, so I just need to practice so I can hide my real hair or like find a method, because this is actually really cute. Like I'm actually gonna use these ponytails to like switch things up. Anyways, we need to get some makeup on because I look crazy. We're going all out for this get ready with me to go nowhere. Okay, when I say all out, like That's a loose statement because like you guys know I don't really go like all out with my makeup ever. So yeah. I'm already moisturized and everything, so I'm just gonna go right in. I'm trying out the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. Yeah, I've never used this, so we shall see. I don't know if the shade is good. I had to buy foundation online for my freelance client because I do freelance like social media and everything. And so I had to buy tons of foundations online with no reference to match my shades. So that is just like so fun. Oh, this isn't that bad. I don't know if this smells like goodness, like vanilla-y, or if it's like a mix of like kind of smells chemical-y, kind of smells like vanilla. I can't tell. I'm gonna get it all down my neck because my face is just like so white. Does anyone else, like their face just like never tans? Like I know some people whose faces get so dark like in the summer and like tanning like when they come back from vacation. My face just doesn't do that. My face is so white, it stays white, which also it's not a bad thing. I wear sunscreen on my face every single day so I can avoid, you know, those age spots, sunspots, wrinkles, all of that. I might have put way too much on my face. It's fine, we're fine. We adjust, we move forward. Yeah, my face is just like so white and the rest of my body is not. So like I have to match my face to my body, but in the process of doing that, I look crazy. Like I look so weird, but then I have to think like, okay, this is what my face would look like if it tanned. Okay, we are definitely gonna put on some concealer to lighten this up a little bit though. I'm putting it all down my neck so I don't look like I'm wearing a mask. Then I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in their satin finish. Right there, should be enough. This is such an amazing concealer. It's literally like $6 or something, maybe even less. And I think it's like the perfect dupe to Shape Tape. It's a perfect Shape Tape dupe. And I am using very hydrating products today, so I am going to set my face with some powder. Sometimes I don't like to do that because my skin is dry, but I'm gonna do that today. This is the Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder. I'm not used to wearing this much makeup. I like never do this. All right, then we're going in with bronzer. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. This brush is a Real Techniques buffing brush. I really like it because it's a little more dense, so I can kind of control the bronzer because I like contour and everything, you know. Maybe I'll take photos today since, you know, I put a ponytail in, I have a full face of makeup. Like, maybe I'll take some photos for the gram. I can't tell if I like this. I kind of look a little cakey. No bueno. Then for blush, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill and Becca palette. I'm pretty sure this is not available anymore. I like to mix these two together sometimes. I never touch the shade because like, that's pink. That is bright pink. Not my thing, you know? I know it's like super cute, like an e-girl like kind of thing to do like bright ass like pink blush, but I'm just not there. I'm not on that level. I do love a good blushed look though. I feel like it makes me look tanner when I have a lot of blush on because you like kind of look sunburnt. This is like really hydrating. Like I am glowing right now. And I don't know if I looked like a glazed donut or like a good glow, you know what I mean? Just for that reason, I'm only gonna put the slightest amount of highlight on because I am really glowing already. You don't gotta try too hard for this glow. I do have to say, first impressions, I like the foundation. It just feels very lightweight, like moves with my face, you know, like how some foundations are just very like bleh on you. I don't know. Anyone else? I need to hurry up because I have a call at 9:30. Zoom life. I'm gonna look so good for this though, so it'll be worth it. Get these lips looking like a glazed donut. You know what I mean? Okay, what do I do next? I did all of my face. Brows. I need to do my brows. Cool, I'm using the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt because this broke bitch does not want to purchase Benefit because this does the same thing for less money, so yeah. I have like a really like deep feeling, oh wow, look at that already, that with my new freelance client, which is in the makeup world, I am going to like get so much more into makeup again. Like if you've been following me since my OG days on YouTube, I like wanted to be a beauty guru like so bad, and then all of a sudden I like just kind of fell out of that phase and I just didn't really do beauty videos. And also like this is not impressive, like this is just purely entertainment for you guys and also for myself to like get ready today. So like I also kind of stopped doing beauty videos because I realized I'm like, okay, I'm not really that good at makeup. I'm not like a James Charles of the world. And so no one is like benefiting from this. So I kind of stopped, which is also like a really sad negative way to think. That's just me. Okay, brows are on fleek. The next thing is, do I want to put eyeliner on today? Because if you can't see, I have no eyelashes, like none. So maybe I put on eyeliner today for the first time in like, I almost just really swore, for like the first time in freaking forever. Maybe I'll do that. If I have eyeliner still, do I still have eyeliner? Aha! I haven't used this freaking since Nom. Okay, this is the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. I feel like I should use a primer. Yeah, we're gonna use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer so my liner stays in place because I oddly have kind of oily eyelids. I don't know if that's anyone else or if that's just me. So like stuff just doesn't stay on these babies, you know? Also, Jeffree Star is like shaking because I think this primer that I am literally putting on my eyeballs right now, I think I've had it since high school. And I'm pretty sure this is the same primer I used for like my prom and everything. So that's disgusting. Should I zoom you guys in? I guess I should have zoomed you in this entire time. Oh, my makeup doesn't look that bad on camera. Now, I haven't done this in a long time, kids, so please give me a break. I'm surprised that this eyeliner is like still functioning. I've had it for so long. Wow. Okay. Ooh, look at that wing. Wow, who is she? She's a freaking beauty guru. Oh my gosh, wow, I feel pretty. I haven't put eyeliner on in like freaking months. Wow. I feel good. I feel good about myself. Just wait. I'm saying that now, but like once I put mascara on and realize I really don't have any eyelashes left, that's gonna change. Also, today is a very special day. It's Earth Day. And so if you follow me on social media and everything, you know that I love the earth. And I'm very passionate about like sustainability and everything. So like comment down below if you're still watching, and just comment like what you did for Earth Day. If you maybe ate vegan for the day, or something like that. Wow, yeah, I really have no eyelashes at all. Love that for me. Cool. I think that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. Actually, I am going to set my face. I'm using the Skindinavia Makeup Finishing Spray. This is like the original one. Also, the mascara I was using is the Lash Paradise, but I don't like it anymore, so bleh. It just like crumbles under my eyes, and by the end of the day, I look like a raccoon, so I'm not a fan anymore. Okay, I'm gonna set, because I just put on a lot of makeup, so I want it to last today. This is like the best setting spray ever, so. Wow, she has transformed. Let me hide my real hair. Ooh, who is this baddie? Oh, Ooh, I should take out some little baby hairs. Wow, why didn't I do that? Oof, look at this transformation. She glowed up. Here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't done a get ready with me in so long, so definitely leave a comment below, like this video if you enjoyed this. Maybe I'll dive back into the beauty world once I have my entire makeup collection back in my possession. Then these will be a lot more fun. I'll be a little bit more daring, you know. Ooh, maybe do some eyeshadow, who knows. But yeah, and like this really dope freaking ponytail, everything will be linked down below. Use my code Sydney10. Yeah, that is it. And I'm wearing jeans today. Who is she?